could be working hard, saving money, and still end up broke, and it might be because of one of these silent wealth killers. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you are joining us for the first time, please kindly hit the like and subscribe button. Today, we're exposing the most common financial mistakes that quietly sabotage your future. These aren't just little slip-ups, these are habits that can keep you stuck for years. So, stay with me because fixing these could change your life. Why this matters? Let's face it, most of us were never taught how money really works. We're told to work hard and save up, but not how to actually build wealth. And the truth is, financial success is less about how much you make, and more about how you manage what you already have. This video is your wake-up call. I'm breaking down the most common wealth-building mistakes, and showing you how to avoid them before they cost you your future. Mistake number 1, lifestyle inflation. Ever notice how when people start making more money, they suddenly get a new car, a bigger apartment, nicer clothes? That's lifestyle inflation. It's when your expenses grow just as fast as, or faster than, your income. So no matter how much you make, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. Fix. When your income increases, don't immediately upgrade your lifestyle. Instead, funnel that extra income into savings, investments, or debt payoff. Try to keep your lifestyle 1 or 2 steps behind your income level. Remember, building wealth isn't about how rich you look, it's about how much freedom you actually have. Mistake number 2, not paying yourself first. This is one of the biggest mindset shifts between wealthy and struggling people. Most people spend first and save what's left. But if you wait until the end of the month to save, guess what? There's nothing left. Fix. Always pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer into your savings or investment account right after payday. Start small, even $50 a week adds up. That's over $2,500 a year without thinking about it. Make your future self a priority. Don't just save what's left, save first, then spend what's left. Mistake number 3, not investing early or at all. Leaving all your money in a savings account may feel safe, but with inflation eating away at your cash, you're actually losing money over time. True wealth is built through ownership of assets like stocks, real estate, or businesses. Fix. Don't wait for the perfect time to start investing, it doesn't exist. Start small with investing apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard. Focus on index funds or ETFs if you're new. They're simple, diversified, and effective. The earlier you start, the more time compound interest has to work its magic. Even $100 per month invested in your 20s can grow into 6 figures by retirement. Mistake number 4, relying on one source of income. In today's economy, relying on just one income stream is like walking a tightrope with no safety net. One job loss, one bad quarter, and you're in trouble. Fix. Build a side hustle, freelancing, consulting, content creation, or selling digital products. Invest in income-generating assets like dividend-paying stocks, REITs, or rental properties. Wealthy people have multiple streams of income. It's not about working 24/7, it's about diversifying your cash flow. Mistake number 5, not having a plan. Most people don't track their money. They spend based on how they feel, not on a strategy. If you don't tell your money where to go, it will disappear. Fix. Create a simple financial plan with clear goals, income, savings rate, and investment strategy. Use tools like Notion, Inab, you need a budget, or even a basic spreadsheet. Track your progress monthly. Adjust when needed. Wealth doesn't happen by accident. It's a result of intention, tracking, and consistent action. Mistake number 6, falling for get-rich-quick schemes. Crypto pump and dumps. Sketchy MLMs invest $500 and make $5,000 overnight. Sound familiar? If it seems too good to be true, it is. The real wealth is built slowly and steadily. Fix. Stick to proven wealth-building strategies. Live below your means, invest regularly, and build valuable skills. Vet your sources. Don't follow hype. Follow people with a long-term track record. Don't chase the quick win. Build the real thing. Mistake number 7, ignoring financial education. Your money mindset determines your financial reality. If you don't invest in your financial literacy, you'll always be limited, no matter how much you make. Fix. Read foundational books. The Millionaire Next Door, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, I Will Teach You to Be Rich. Watch YouTube creators like this channel, take free courses, listen to podcasts, and ask questions. The more you know, the more control you gain over your financial future. Mistake number 8, not protecting yourself with insurance and an emergency fund. One emergency, car accident, job loss, medical bill, and your finances can spiral. Don't wait until crisis hits to get prepared. Fix. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months of expenses. Get essential insurance, health, renters, life. Mistake number 9, thinking wealth is a solo journey. Trying to do it all alone is exhausting and unnecessary. Wealth building is easier when you learn from others. Fix. Join communities, follow trustworthy financial educators, and talk openly about money with people you trust. Let's recap. You're not failing, you're just missing the right tools and habits. Today we exposed the myths and mistakes holding so many people back. Lifestyle. Creep, procrastinating savings, no investments, one income stream, no plan, chasing hype, and skipping financial literacy. These are wealth killers. But now you know them and you're ready to flip the script. Which of these mistakes have you made? Comment below, I read every one. And if you're serious about taking control of your money, check out this next video. Why you're wasting your future by procrastinating savings. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's build wealth together.